this is a disc. A disc rolls without slipping down an inclined plane as shown in this figure. A force diagram which represents the force exerted on the disc and the location at which the forces are exerted is shown in figure 2. At the instant shown in figure 1, point P, which is at the edge of the disc, is in contact with the inclined plane. Okay. Which of the following forces exerted on disc exerts torques on the disk about the point P? So like if I draw this is point P and we have to find this is the frictional force. So this is the axis now. Now we are selecting it as axis. So what is torque? Force into R perpendicular. So this R perpendicular is 0 if this force is passing through axis. If it's passing through axis. So if this is the axis and this is the force, can you tell me the perpendicular distance? R perpendicular is equal to 0.
Yeah.
So for this force, R perpendicular is 0. And for this force, R perpendicular is 0. About the
Yeah.
point X. But for this is the R perpendicular. For this force of gravity, this is the R perpendicular. So A is the correct option. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. See you in the next video.